We invited the Assistant Chief Constable of Thames Valley Police, Jason Hogg, to attend Solent University and come in and speak with some of our criminology students. We're very keen to get as many guest lecturers, particularly in the industry and sector of criminal justice, come and speak to our students. And also he was there to inspire the students as to possible career paths, because he was able to give them information about not only becoming a police officer but also the range of different types of roles that you now have within the criminal justice field.
He just spoke to us about what he does, about what the police force do, where the money goes, and like what's more important now than was before. Just interesting to get an insight on the policing, because I haven't looked as much into that, so it's quite good to see how they work with like youth crime and stuff like that.
Yeah, I really want to be like a detective, so there's a gentleman in there who was alongside Jason, who was a detective sergeant, and that's the role that I really want to go into, looking into homicide and rape cases, but also maybe potentially working with mental health offenders and the rehabilitation of those. We literally on Friday went to a crime scene that was set up by the university, and it just gave us a chance to go in and have a look, to get a feel of what the crime scene would be like and what to expect from a real one.